ako po si Aedion. It's by an airplane. Oh, bye po. Bye.
Hindi, bye. Oh, go. Play.
I-play tayo.
Oh, show mo sa kanila yung airplane.
Okay. All the stuff here, diba? All the stuff. Oh, there's pizza. This one. Oh my gosh. Can you fix this box? Thanks. Can you build it like this? Mom, can you build it this? No. Wait.
Open mo na.
Okay, so we got all the stuff here. Come on. Why we're Titan is wiggly?
Who are they?
They are passengers, and these are the passengers, and they are the drivers.
Who is this?
The Titan. Pizza. Yum yum. Just like that. Love. Yummies. Ha ha ha. We need a plate. What?
Who is this?
The Titan. Mel. Uh-oh. I don't like... Play tayo to. Play na tayo to. Play na tayo. Play na tayo, diba? Play na tayo, ma'am. Play na tayo. Play na tayo, diba? Okay?
Dali. This one. You go there.
Combo Panda.
Combo Panda is the pilot.
She's the pilot and she's the pilot too.
Okay. These are the
Passenger. We don't need this, okay?
why?
Because all of the people are going to sit, diba? Diba?
Okay, and then?
And then we need to take off. We need to get out this.
Okay, and then?
And then the passenger's gonna oh look, there's the passenger. And close this thing up.
Okay, and then?
And there's two drivers and she's the owner. Can you clean this up?
Okay.
French fries. Can you believe French fries? And coffee. And ready to take off, huh?
Ready to take off.
It's going to wheel. It's up in the sky, diba?
Yes, and then?
And there's Daddy. She's looking at the airplane. Diba? And there's a baby inside.
There's a baby inside.
Like, oh, there's an orange.
Oh, come here. Wake up! Gus want to ride on an airplane. Who's this?
Mo, blah, blah.
Who is this?
Mo.
Mo?
Blah.
How about this one?
Alpalexa.
Alpalexa.
It's can't standing.
And how about this one?
Peck. Peck.
Si Peck. They are waiting for the takeoff.
Yeah, she's got the bag. Here's a plane. Here's a plane.
Open.
Welcome to the airplane. First pet. She's got a small tail. And there's Alexa. She's got blue and green. They're the same colors.
Who's that?
Mo. Mo's it's a dinosaur. Diba? And there's Gus. She's a gator.
Alligator.
Yeah, she's an alligator. She's live in the water.
Oh.
And all of this, she's live in the water too.
Where are they heading?
Going in the tutor.
In the tutor or in Japan?
Japan.
To see?
See Daddy ko.
Okay, ready to take off.
Meow. Meow. Okay, they're here now, diba?
Yes, and then?
And she said my mommy and daddy.
Opo.
And daddy ko. And
Yes.
me. There's me, huh? And mommy and daddy. And there's me. That's the baby.
Yes, you're the baby.
Yeah, I am the baby.
I think they're hungry.
We need to feed them.
Yeah.
We need to do this.
Oh, what they need?
French fries.
They need the French fries.
Dogs don't like French fries.
I think Alpha Alexa wants the French fries.
Yeah. Alexa's like French fries.
How about? Hold.
She's like it.
How about? Who wants pizza?
She wants just like it.
Gus like it.
And she's eat all the gummies. And what? Who's eating this? Or a pig? Can I eat this thing up? Mom, I don't like.
The orange. How about the milk? I think Moo wants the milk. How about the passenger? How about the pilot?
Mom, we need to take off this. We need to list this, diba?
Why?
Because me and dad, mommy and daddy, we're going to go in my new home, diba? And those are the drivers. Welcome to the airplane of the Camo airplane. Those are not the drivers. Huh?
Who are they?
They are not drivers. And those are the pilots. Welcome to the... Welcome. Mom, can you get combo and with Titan? Thank you. Welcome to... Look, there's my grandpa and granny. Welcome to the combo airplane. Please put your seatbelt on. Let's go. Meow. Okay, they're here, Mom, in my new home.
Yes. Yes.
Everybody, get out in the airplane. She's going in the pilot, in the home.
Okay.
She's here now.
Okay.
And we need to put all the
Luggage.
we need to put here. Diba? Those are the controllers.
Yasha. Yasha.
Say bye-bye na.
Oh, bye-bye.